Hi everyone, it's Lorie and welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing well today. So of course I had to adjust my chair. So today we are going to do a flip through of our cozy cashmere journal, and this is a shabby chic. I decided not to go with the fallish theme that I think this digital may have been intended for, but I also wanted to show that you really didn't have to go that route. You could go any route you wanted, because this is an absolutely beautiful kit that is very neutral, and it is from Jennifer over at A Trace of Sparkle, and it's called Cozy Cashmere. So we will get right into the flip through. So I did use some more of this pretty pink, I believe it's Sorry, for the closure here. So just did a bow with a piece of that, and on the cover here, so I did actually use the Sorry to sew in the signature with. So we just have a pretty bow over here on the side, and we have lots of layers of pink and white excuse me, lace here in the background. We have some applique trim here, some little teardrop sparkly dangle here, another applique lace here, applique here from a vintage wedding dress that I had purchased, this right here as well, and then just some assimilated pearls going there, and all of those do go around to the back. We have a small rose applique there, so that is the back. So when we turn it over, we did take in the last video, and I finished it up, one of the little lace snippet boards from Jennifer. I purchased that from her shop. We put a little dangle, bead dangle, pink bead dangle here on a ball pin, and I just attached it to the front. At the top here, we put a little, this is a chiffon flower, and some bling bling in the middle. That I did get it hot glued in. So we open it up, if I can speak here. And on the front cover we did a double pocket. So we have this fabric here. I'm not sure what it was from. I bought it this way. It was a wide strip, already that size. But it has some embroidery on it, and we have a pretty lace pocket here to make a double pocket. I'm going to pull this up some. We have all this goodness hanging out down the bottom. Just put a couple of Jennifer's tag from the kit in the front pocket and just distressed around it, and then put this journaling card in the back, or tag in the back there. So there's a page from the kit. Absolutely beautiful kit. This is a pocket that we made. This pocket was inspired by Ann over at Oldacina Scrap. We used one of her little sentiments from the pack. We have some little rose lace trim here, a little flower there, one of the bows from the kit, and this is just made with avocado dyed paper. Put some lace back there for the pocket, and then this is one of the tags that we made a while back, and this up here is absolutely beautiful. It's embossed roses, beautiful shade of pink, and that was a gift from my friend Tammy over at Embellish the Story. It was actually the gift bag, and that's still the ring hole thingy that was actually on the gift bag. And of course it's got a little journaling card on there, a sentiment, and some layers of lace. I think that was from a lace masterboard that I had made. We have some coffee dyed paper. It's another page from the kit there. And then we have, is this too bright, guys? Looks like it's too bright. Okay, maybe that helps some. And then we have some avocado dyed. We have a coffee dyed glassine bag. Took a journaling card from the kit, just layered some lace, a vintage dolly, and a little flower there, and then some flat back pearls, and we just put it in there. That's another page from the kit. Absolutely love this page. Still looks like we got some glare, guys, but I apologize. This right here is actually a coffee dyed filter that we folded and turned into a pocket. So this right here is one of the bows from the kit and a flat back pearl. This is a applique flower from my friend Claudia over at Timeless Crochet for You. Lace here, lace trim at the top, and This right here we also made quite a while back, just some different digital papers, and one of those what is that, Polaroids, and then just a little bow up there. And then back here, this is a journaling card from the kit. You can see that flower there. This is from a vintage wedding dress. It's like a creamy tan color. It's got all the bling on there, and the pearls, we just put it in the back there. And then here, this is just a fabric or lace, like a swatch. Yeah, going blank here. And it's just on there with a paper clip and tied a piece of lace there. This right here is a journaling card from the kit, tucked up in there. And then this is another page from the kit. And over here we made this also quite a while back, turned it into a little tuck spot and put like a flippy tag thingy there. So we've got that in that pocket. And then over here, this is a small journaling card from the kit, just tucked under there, again with like a teardrop paper clip on there. And this right here, I don't know what kind of material this is, but I absolutely love it. And that's an envelope from the kit. And then in this coffee dyed glassine bag, another journaling card with a flower and a vintage piece of a dolly there. In that pocket, another page from the kit, some coffee dyed paper. This is a decorated glassine bag that we made together. So yeah, super cute. Oops, I never put anything in there, so I'm gonna have to grab something. Give me just a moment and we will grab our little stash. Another purpose for our stash. I got a bit excited, guys, about getting this journal done. I had so much fun working with it, and I think this will coordinate perfectly. So we will put that into into that pocket there. A big bow, oversized bow from the kit, and I just put a bow out of this chiffon silk there that I had made. I actually made that when I was trying to learn how to make bows. And then on the front of it, we used this beautiful lace here to make a lace pocket and a journaling card from the kit tucked down in there. And then I backed it, guys, with a piece of her digital back here. Another page from the kit. And then here, this is just another journaling card. And all I did with this, guys, it's so beautiful. It's just edged around or distressed around the edges and put a little lace bow there. So I thought that turned out really good. Another one of those little fabric swatches back here. I know that's not what you call them, but oh well. Sample cards. There we go. Lace sample cards. There it is. Back here is another one of those pockets. Again, lace trim down here. Little sentiment snuggle from the kit. One of the bows from the kit. A little flower there. Some lace. And then this. Okay, so look at there. I see I forgot to distress around that. My goodness, Lorie. Sorry about this, guys. Let me just stress that a little bit on the front and the back. But all we did with this card was just put some lace, and the other one's probably the same way, so I'm going to leave that out. Lace across the top here, and that was it. Beautiful journaling card from the kit there. So she just tucked in there. More coffee dyed paper. Another page from the kit. This is the middle of the signature. This is just a couple of little clusters that we had made. Got those there. More coffee dyed paper. And this is the other one here. Nope, I distressed around that one. I guess I just forgot the other one. So that is another card, journaling card from the kit. Light pink lace there. Another bow from the kit. This is just coffee dyed paper. Some more of that trim at the bottom, and one of the sentiments with a little piece of lace behind it. Another other side of that page from the kit. And then there's another lace sample card, but this one's excuse me, also a flippy pad. So it's got little pieces of paper in there where you can journal. And again, we put lace on the end of the paper clip. It's another journaling card from the kit. Just did some more of that vintage dolly and a rosette there. This is that other glassine bag that we did. Again, nothing in the pocket. So let's go and look and let me see what I have over here that I think may work. And I kind of like this. So let's see if this will fit. Yep, it does. Oh, and that's cute too. So the same thing, oversized bow. Just took some of the one of the digitals and put it on the top. Lace pocket here with one of the little tags in there. So that goes in that little lace pocket there. Again, another chiffon bow there, and that tag we just put in the back. And this is a little tag from the kit, and all I did was just placed it on the other side of that glassine bag. And this right here is some seam binding that's been coffee dyed. A couple of little, these are just little, yeah, like envelope, like coin envelopes. And just tucked them both there with some lace on that paper clip. Another little tuck spot here that we made quite a while back that came from our stash. And then a little flippy tag thingy there. I have no idea what we called it. So there that is. Just thought it went really well together. Over here, another paper clip with some lace on it. Journaling card from the kit. And all I did was put a sari silk bow up there. So we have that. Another one of those lace sample cards. Piece of lace on there, actually a couple of pieces of lace. This is another one of the coffee dyed envelopes that we made, or pockets that we made. I'm sorry, not envelopes. Again, Claudia at Timeless Crochet for you. Some lace down here, a bow with a really long ribbon tail on there, and a flat back pearl. Some lace up there, and just another one of the little flippies. You can take that out and write on it. So that is just tucked in that pocket there. And then back here again, one of those appliques from the vintage wedding dress, and one of her cards from the kit in that pocket there. Didn't do anything to that because I had it a little bit shorter than the other one, but you could, like, you know, stick something on there. Avocado dyed paper we made a pocket out of, a bow from the kit, another sentiment there, a little piece of applique, some pearl trim here, put some lace there to back it. This is another one of those beautiful cards that we made out of that gift bag. So if you see beautiful gift bags at a thrift store, go ahead and buy them. And then that's the last page from the kit. This right here is velcroed down. It is a pocket. And all I've done in here is just stuck one piece of the digital that I had left, so as not to waste it. We just put it in that back pocket back there. That again comes over and just velcros down. And on the little flap here, I did take a piece of her digital that was a scrap, and it was actually already folded in half, and I just glued it over the edge of that. Then we have the lace pocket here. This is a double pocket, same as the front. Little journaling card in there from the kit, and then a tag back here in this pocket. And guys, this is the back. So that is our journal. Let me get this down and get her tied back up. This will be for sale in my shop, even though it is going to be... Oh man, I was afraid that was going to happen. That happens sometimes, guys. So, we'll just try to tie it with this, and then I will get out something else for the closure, I guess. Because this is going to be too tiny. I just want you guys to be able to see the front of her without me having to squish her down. So this is our Cozy Cashmere journal. Again, I will get another closure for her. She will be for sale in my shop again, even though it's going to be very difficult to let her go, and I'll probably, take some time along, which I have did in the past with journals that I've made that I really, really love and really, really wanted to keep. But, sometimes we make them for ourselves and sometimes we make them to sell. So, yeah, she will be in my shop. So if you're interested, please go over there and take a look. Alright, guys, I love you all so much. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. I really do appreciate it. If you came over and have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing to my channel. I would greatly appreciate it if you did so, and hit that notification bell so that you will be notified every time that I post a video. Yeah, please hit that like button. Leave me a super quick comment. Let me know what you think about this journal. I absolutely love how it turned out. I think when you see this video, we will still be on vacation or would have just gotten back. So please be patient if you do decide to go over and buy this. I do pride myself when I get orders, I ship the very next day possible. If I could ship the same day, so if I get up and I see, see that I have an order, I do get it ready and ship the same day. So yeah, but if we're still out of town, I think I'll just put a notification. I'm not sure if I'll put my shop on vacation or just put an announcement that we are on vacation and I will not be able to ship anything sold during that time until I get back. So hopefully that will be okay with you guys if you're interested in this journal. Alright, I love you guys so much. Thank you all for your support, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.